Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Ansible Sikho. So as we discussed in my earlier video, okay, so this session is only for those who don't have hands-on or a technical exposure on Linux commands. So for them, I'm creating a short video where I'm going to cover a basic level commands here. Okay, so it will include creating users, creating groups, adding user in the group. Okay, so all those things, creating files and directories. Okay, how to read that, how to list the files and directories, I'm going to show you here. And ping command, network related command I'm going to cover here. Okay, and after that, how to check the status, how to check the firewall. Okay, telnet commands and all I'm going to cover this. Okay, so let's see. Sudo, let's create a user first. User add, let's say user one only, already exists. Okay, I have user one again already there. So Ansible user one. Okay, it is created. How will you check that? Cat etc, then passwd, password. Okay, so here if you go, if you put pipe, this is called pipe. Okay, now grep means search. What? No need to put double quotes, but still. So Ansible user, I'm not typing one there. Okay, so see, it is created. Ansible one user is created. Okay, now let's set the password as well. Sudo Ansible, no, sudo passwd password for Ansible user one. Okay, now so sudo group add Ansible underscore. Okay, so yeah. Okay, it is created. Let's add the user. Okay, so what all things we have done here? We have created a user. Okay, we have updated the password. Okay, we have checked whether a user exists or not. Password is also updated there. Okay, this one, and we have updated the password. We have created this admins group. Okay, so this is also done. Checking also done. Okay, both done. Now let's add sudo vi sudo. Okay, press I. Fine, I'm going to delete this user. Okay, manually you can add this thing here in vi sudo. Okay, so we have Ansible admins 1. Okay, now let's add user in the group. Okay, this is the command. If you could see this user mode, ag, group name and username. This is how we are going to add the user in the group. So let's see that. Sudo user Ansible user 1. Okay, so user is added in the group. Okay, how can you check that? Verify. See here. Okay, we are going to see now how the user is added. So to verify groups, then user 1 or id user, id Ansible user 1. So if you can see, it is there, right? Also you can give group name or groups. Switch user, login with username, you can say sudo who we will add user add Ansible user 2. Okay, now if I would say sudo Ansible user 2, sorry, sudo first set a password Ansible user 2. Okay, give the switch user Ansible user 2, say sudo who switch to rtech. Sudo user delete ansible user 2 currently using the process. So in this scenario you have to kill the process. So to kill the process, p process kill, okay, hyphen kill hyphen u ansible user 2. Because operation not permitted, okay, use sudo privilege. Now ansible user 1 node 1 2 fine. So let's see whether, okay, it got hang. Let me duplicate the session. So hyphen ansible user 2. So user delete sudo user 2, give the password. Not sure if the password is wrong. Let's say hyphen r2. Ansible user 2. User delete ansible hyphen r ansible user 2. Now it is done. Okay, let's see. So you won't find ansible to user 2 here. Okay, so this is how you can create a user, create groups, and give password or set the password, and you can accordingly delete the user if required. Fine. Let's see creating a directory. So first of all, ls, all the blue colored name are directory. Okay, so we are going to create touch paste file.txt. It will not ask you to enter any statement or any word right now. It will just create and leave it. Okay, if you will see, so file is created and it has read write permission only, and for others and users it is having read only rights. Okay, so 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 let's update, edit this file. So let's say test file.txt. Here I am going to write something here, test file line 1, test file line 4. Okay, to quit successfully, this is the command. You have to write file and then quit. Okay, w and q exclamation is required. If you do not want to save the file, just type q exclamation. Okay, double colon q exclamation. It will not save the file, it will save the file. Okay, let's see the content of the file. It is there. Okay, if you want to tell file name, right, if you want to count word in the file, so wc test file. So it has 4 line, 6 words and 33 spaces characters. This is how it gives you output. Okay,